You need to know the rules of money and implement it correctly to get rich. Applying the rules of money will help you accumulate riches without any effort. In this video, we will be telling you the 12 rules of money that will make you rich. Don't miss any rule from between, as these are very important. Now let's start. 1. It's a game. The rule is to consider money as a game that can be taught, and to devote time to studying the guidelines and tactics to become skilled at it. Recognize that financial success may be acquired via education and effort, rather than thinking of riches as something that is just for the naturally fortunate or brilliant. You may acquire the knowledge needed to make wise financial choices and accumulate money over the long run by adopting this mentality. 2. Avoid hate for money. It is forbidden to despise money, since doing so might really work against your efforts to build riches. A bad connection with money might develop if you grumble and criticize it all the time. This could make it more difficult for you to amass riches. Rather, have a positive attitude about money and see it as a tool that may assist you in achieving your objectives and leading a full life. You can attract prospects for monetary success by doing this, and you can take full advantage of those opportunities. Do subscribe our channel and also press the like button if you want to know the secrets, tricks to earn more money. 3. Money needs to be invested. Your money always wants to get invested. If you invest your money, then only you will gain profits without any effort. You may invest in stocks, bonds, cryptocurrencies, mutual fund, gold, 401k, and many other assets. Warren Buffett and Robert Kiyosaki always suggests to invest your money. So you must do it. For it is a doubles game. What does double gain mean? The golden rule is to always keep in mind that the goal of the game of money is to double your investment and to approach all financial choices accordingly. You may establish a specific and realistic financial goal by concentrating on tripling your income. Knowing your risk tolerance and time horizon is necessary for successful doubles play. The length of time you have to attain your financial objective is your time horizon, while your age and personal circumstances will determine your risk tolerance. When you have a firm grasp on these elements, you may create a strategy to multiply your funds and strive for financial success. 5. Timing is important. In terms of managing your money and operating a company, timing is undoubtedly crucial. Making the appropriate choices at the appropriate moment takes a mix of knowledge, instinct, and experience. When it comes to attaining financial success, timing is everything. Knowing when to reduce costs, invest, maintain liquidity, and grow your firm may make all the difference. It's a talent that can be acquired with practice, but in order to remain on top of things, it's critical to constantly learn new things and advance your skills. 6. Secret account. Even while having a crisis fund might be useful in an emergency, it's crucial to be open and honest about your money with your spouse or partner. The practice of keeping financial secrets may undermine relationships and undermine trust. It's crucial to strike a balance between protecting your loved ones financially and being upfront and honest with them about your predicament. 7. Do not book a first-class flight. My argument is clear to you. Particularly when you're attempting to increase your wealth, it's important to be conscious of your spending and make wise financial choices. You may increase your net worth by reinvesting the money you save on irrational spending like first-class travel by investing it in your company and other alternatives. Making wise financial decisions and setting priorities for your financial objectives are the key. 8. End-of-the-world mindset. When it comes to making investments and managing your money, having a long-term view is crucial. Market volatility and short-term crises may occur, but history has proven that these events are rare and that markets eventually recover. Avoid being frightened or rushing to judgment based on media hype or dread. Instead, it's wise to have a plan in place that incorporates saving money for emergencies and being ready to seize chances that may present themselves. You may put yourself in a position for success and financial security in the years to come by maintaining your focus on your long-term financial objectives and being ready for any obstacles. 9. Research your politicians. Regarding how it's important to comprehend the ideologies and policies of local politicians and how they may affect your financial status, I agree with you. It's vital to continually be informed of any changes in tax laws, rules, and policies and to modify your financial strategy as necessary. Politics, meanwhile, may be complicated, and there can be more at stake than simply taxes, so it's vital to keep this in mind. It's always a good idea to conduct your homework and keep up with current affairs, but you should also speak with financial counselors and industry professionals to make sure you are making the greatest choices for your particular financial position. 10. Examine wise investors. Having said that, it's crucial to avoid adopting a rigid attitude toward these investors and their ideas. Although it's crucial to absorb their knowledge and ways of thinking, it's also critical to be aware of how the world is continuously evolving and how what worked for them in the past may not apply to you now or in the future. Be open to modifying and adjusting your methods as necessary, but also use their ideas as a guide. In the end, having a firm grasp of the basics, keeping up with current affairs, and making judgments based on your own particular situation and objectives are the keys to successful investment. 11. Complain. The first thing to do is comprehend your tax situation, which is basically how you are taxed in your nation. Because it determines how much money you get to retain and put into your company or other endeavors, this is significant. For instance, in America, company owners who generate employment are eligible for tax incentives, which encourages individuals to launch their own businesses and employ others. You may take advantage of these advantages and build a profitable company if you know your market and position yourself correctly. Therefore, regardless of where you reside, it is crucial to examine your tax structure and comprehend how it impacts your financial condition. 12. Annulation. While it's true that money should be invested and put to work in order to increase wealth, it's crucial to give sound and responsible financial decision-making a high priority as well. Simply moving money around to keep it busy might result in unwise investments and possibly disastrous financial decisions. Rather than making choices entirely out of dread of boredom, it's critical to have a sound financial strategy and use judgment. That's it for this video. Now you know all the rules of money to get rich. Implement these rules properly to get rich. These rules will easily make you rich very quickly. As I already said, Sir Warren Buffett already suggested these rules to follow long back. Stay subscribed to our channel and also press the like button to stay informed about any financial updates. Share this video with all of your friends and family members. Comment below if you have any query. Thanks for watching.